Let's add an advanced block to Minecraft. Minecraft modding courses with close to 100 topics ranging from custom tools and armor to custom block entities all the way to custom mobs, linked in the description below. Alright, we found ourselves back in the tutorial once more, and in this tutorial we're going to be adding a custom advanced block to Minecraft, which is going to be a block that has its own separate block class. So this is very similar to the advanced item. In the block package, we're going to right click new package called custom. Once again, this is just for organizational purposes only, and inside of that we'll make a new Java class and we'll call this the sound block. Once again, the convention is to end this with a block over here, the name of the class, highly recommended, and then this will extend the block class right here from net Minecraft block. We'll hover over this, create constructor matching super, and with this, a custom block class has been created. However, of course, no functionality. That's not going to stay this way, because what kind of functionality can we add? Well, a block actually offers us an insane amount of stuff, and we can see this all in the block class itself. So if you middle mouse button click on this, you can see all sorts of methods that we are able to override over here, including, for example, in the abstract block class as well, where there are even more methods to override, which is absolutely freaking spectacular. And the onUse method is the exact method that we are going to use, because this is called when used by the player. That means that when you right click on this particular block. I also highly recommend checking out the Java doc over here, because that's just really useful to know what the different methods do and mean, and we are going to overwrite this. The strike through here can be safely ignored, because in this case, the method is marked as deprecated. However, that only means that you cannot call this method. You can override it to your heart's content. We are going to return the action result of success right here, and then we will play a sound when the player right-clicks this particular block. And for this, we're going to say world.playSound, passing in the player over here, then the position. We want to call the sound events let's call block underscore node, and how about we do the xylophone over here, .value, that's very important that we call this. Then the sound category is going to be blocks, and then in theory we could keep it like this, or we can add two more floats, and that's going to be the volume as well as the pitch, so you can change those as well. In Minecraft, sometimes the pitch is changed randomly, so it gives a random number between 0 and 1 to, well, get the illusion that the actual sound is a little bit different. And that is the sound block pretty much done. Of course, we still need to add it to the mod blocks class, registering it properly, so let's just copy over the raw Ruby block over here, and we'll call this the sound underscore block. Of course, changing the name here as well, sound underscore block. And very important, changing the new block to a new sound block right here. Otherwise, it will not work. And then here are the sounds. We'll just keep the normal sounds from the iron block. And that is pretty much what we need to do. Of course, adding it to the item group and then all of the JSON files. There we go, added the block states JSON file, the translation, the block model JSON file, and the item model JSON file. They are all the standard ones, so no worries at all. And of course, the texture will be copied over as well. That is going to be available to you in the description below for download as well. And those are all the steps that we need for the advanced block in this case, as it is a fairly simple and straightforward block class over here. So let's jump into the game, and here are our sound block. Alright, found ourselves back in Minecraft, and as you can see, the sound block has been successfully added to the game, and if I right click it, that is the xylophone, absolutely works, no worries at all, and that is a custom advanced block added to Minecraft. All of the code is, of course, available to you in the description below in the GitHub repository, but that's going to be it for this tutorial right here. Next time in this video, we will make a custom and yummy food item. Hope to see you there. So, yeah.